For you to be here at this particular venue for this particular reason is already a big deal, in the sense that you paid something in order to come to hire a venue of this nature to make it possible for a large group of people to come and hear something that would draw you closer to Allah. You knew that the theme is facing reality. You knew that we are going to listen to scholars and so on. Allah says, we tailor-made it for you. It was never meant to miss your ears. If you heard me say something today, it was going to hit your ears, come what may. It's written for you, it's meant for you. How are you going to process that? Wallahi, there should be love in the hearts of every one of us towards all of us. In the sense that one to another, we should be feeling for each other. The greatest feeling is when you see someone do something wrong, don't just try to push them further down. Think of ways of how you can reach the person in order to empower them with the correct knowledge and ask Allah to guide them. Because guidance is not in my hands nor yours, it's in the hands of Allah. Let's face it.